Did you know that people are quietly making money with AI generated music? Yes, in case you don't know, people are using AI generated music to make money with platforms like YouTube, Spotify, and even Apple Music. But there are things you need to do it correctly for this to work for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how people are creating AI generated music, how they are potentially making money from it. I'm also going to talk about the crucial rules that apply to this so you don't get into legal issues when you finally want to do this by yourself. Because when it comes to AI generated music, there are certain rules applied to it, so make sure you stick around to the very end so you don't miss out on any of the important steps in this video. Now, the crazy part is that a lot of people don't know that this is actually possible, and some people know but they don't how and where to generate this music, and I'm gonna walk you guys through every single thing in this video. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So if I come over here on YouTube and search on this channel, which is called Breaking Rust, this is actually a perfect example for an AI generated music that actually have a YouTube channel. People are creating AI generated music and they are basically uploading them on YouTube. But keep this in mind, you need to do this the right way. If not, number one, YouTube will demonetize and maybe delete your account, and number two, you may get into legal issues with record labels and artists. So make sure you keep watching. I'm going to show you guys how to do this the right way. So you can see right here, this channel has 81,900 subscribers and they have a total of 96 videos. And this particular channel you are seeing right here started just 4 months ago. Let me quickly show you guys. So if I come over here and click on videos, this is going to open up. I'm just going to go ahead and click on oldest videos here and scroll down here. You can see their oldest video was just 4 months ago, and this video got 257,000 views, which was their first video on the channel. Now this channel is getting crazy amounts of views in a very short period of time. That is to show you guys that people actually love these videos. Some of these videos are getting millions and millions of views. If you come over here to Social Blade, you can see that this channel was created on October 16, 2025. So this is a new channel that was just created and they are doing everything with AI. If you scroll all the way down here, you can see that in the last 30 days alone, this channel had 9.9 thousand subscribers, and you can see they have a whopping 11 million views in the last 30 days. Now, according to Social Blade, this is how much they claim this channel could be making: a minimum of $2.8 thousand to $45,000 a month. Of course, this is just estimate. The numbers could be high and it could be low. And you can see here, this is their estimated yearly earnings. Of course, these are just estimates. And just before you think, okay, this channel might not be monetized, let me quickly go ahead and play one of the video and show you guys that it is monetized. So you can see this is an ad playing in the video right here, and you can see here any channel that is monetized on YouTube, you'll be able to see this super thanks button here where you can just click on it and give them something if you appreciate their content. This is just a simple way to check if a channel is monetized or not. Okay guys, so once you sign up and log into your account, this is basically where it's going to take you. This is the interface. Now the cool thing about this AI music generator is that once you sign up, they basically give you 500 free credits so you can use it to practice, test how the platform works. Then if you're comfortable using the platform or you love it, you can then go ahead and upgrade. The music you generate or create on this platform can be used anywhere and you can monetize it. Now let me quickly show you guys how you can create your own music here. This is where you can basically enter the prompt you want to use. So over here, you can either enter your lyrics right here, or you can click over here to attach a file. So here you can attach a file. Maybe you have your lyrics written, you can just take a picture of it and upload it on the platform, or you can click on record and record your voice, upload it here as lyrics, or you can just submit a YouTube video here and convert it to lyrics. So this button here, this is the button where you can add your lyrics. So just click on these lyrics here, and here is going to allow you to add your lyrics. Paste your lyrics here, then you go ahead and click on generate. Now at the top here, this is where you can give the instructions of how you want the music to be made. So all you need to do, if you want R&B, just go ahead and tell it that you want R&B. Then over here you enter your lyrics, and then you go ahead and click on generate. For example, I'm going to tell it to create a relaxing lo-fi beat with soft piano and gentle drums, chilled and peaceful. So all I'm going to do is to just go ahead and run it right here. So you can see the music is generating right now. Let's wait for it to finish. Now basically it's going to generate two music once you submit your lyrics, so you can listen to both of them and decide which one you like among them. So it's currently working on the two music right now. Let's go ahead and wait. After that, we'll come back to the video. Okay, so the two music has been done. Let's go ahead and play them and listen to it. So I personally love this one, but let's play the second music. Now, I'm not going to lie, I think the both of them are fantastic, but I think I prefer the first one. So from here, if I want to download the first one that I like, I can just come over here, click on download this and use it wherever I want, copyright free. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and create another song, and this time I'm going to provide a much more elaborate prompt specifying the exact BM, the chord type and the track features. And I also have control over prompt intensity. So if I come over here and click on control, this prompt intensity basically determines how closely the AI follows my prompt. The prompt intensity determines how closely the AI follows your prompt, as you can see it right here. And personally, I suggest you keep this at 85%, which is where it is right now. Always do the same with lyrics intensity. All you need to do is to leave it at 85%. You can also enter the title of your song here. Music GPT is also great at creating its own lyrics. So if you want lyrics, just go ahead and click where it says lyrics. Once you click on it, this is going to open up. You can either go ahead and type your lyrics here. So instead of pasting your own lyrics here, all you need to do is to go ahead, give the AI what your music is all about, and it's going to go ahead and generate the whole lyrics for you with structures and everything. So instead of you manually typing your lyrics here, just come back here and click on generate. And once you click on generate, this is going to open up. So just go ahead and enter what your music is about, and it's going to generate the lyrics. And so for example, I'm going to ask it to generate a lyrics about a love song on a rainy day. Next, I'm just going to go ahead, click over here, and it's going to generate the lyrics for us. So let's just go ahead and wait. You can see it generating lyrics right here. Okay, so you can see this is the lyrics. It generates right here. It generates verse 1, it generates the chorus, the second verse, the bridge, and everything with the outro. Now you can go through the lyrics and edit. Now before you go ahead and submit the lyrics for the music or the song to be generated, you need to specify if you actually want to use instrumentals or not. So if I hover my mouse here, you will see it says enable to create a song without vocals, but in my own case I want vocals, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come over here, click on this button here and submit it. Now this is basically going to generate two versions of this song. You can see it's almost done now, 99% of this. The reason why they do this is because you can play the two of them and pick from the one that you prefer the most. Now the two versions of my new songs are now completed. Let's go ahead and listen to each of them and see which one is better. that is crazy, guy. I love this song, but let's go ahead and take a look at the second one just in case we love the other one the most.
Rain streaks glass, a silver blur. The city drowns, a distant hum. Your hand finds mine, a quiet stir. Outside the world goes numb. Let the sky weep, let it pour. It only pulls us to love.
So personally, I think I love the both songs equally. Now, as always, if you want to download the songs, you can just go ahead, click on this download button here and download the full songs. And you can see here, I just initiated the download, and at the top here, you can see it's downloading. So you can see I successfully downloaded it. Okay guys, so we now have a great music, but the real question is, are we allowed to use this music legally to be able to make money with it on YouTube? So one of the best things about Music GPT is that if you are on one of their paid plans, you have full commercial rights to all the music generations you've done on the platform. So what it means is that if you are not a paid plan member, you cannot use anything you generate here for commercial purpose. But if you are in one of their paid plans, you can actually use it anywhere, being it on YouTube. As far as you follow YouTube community guideline, you are good to go. But if you are not in their paid plan, you cannot use it anywhere. You will be copyrighted if you do that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to a visual AI tool like Gemini or Midjourney to create a YouTube video. So for this purpose, we are going to be making use of Gemini to generate the visuals. But again, you can use any other AI tool to generate the visuals as you want. The next thing I'm going to do is to tell the AI to create a visualized video for this deep house track. So all I'm going to do is to come back here to Music GPT and then select any of the song that I want to use. So for example, I want to use this one here. I want to just click on these three dots here, scroll down here where it says copy. Over here you can see copy. You can copy the link, copy prompts, or copy the lyrics. I'm just going to copy the lyrics here, go back right here on Gemini and paste the lyrics here. This is the lyrics of the song. So next I'm just going to go ahead, click on submit and wait for the results. All right, so here is what is actually produced for me. Let's just go ahead and play it a little bit. So you can see it right here. Okay, I actually muted the music, but it actually produced it with the beat and everything. But we are not going to use the sound it produced with it. We are going to be using the ones it actually produced in Music GPT. So the next thing I'm going to do is to just go ahead, download the video. You can see downloading right here. From here, all you need to do is to open a video editor like CapCut or Canva or any other video editor you have and edit them together. So let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to click on new project and it's going to take me here. So first thing we are going to do is to upload the visuals. So I'm just going to click on import. So after you upload it, drag it down here. The next thing we are going to import is the music itself. Click on import again. Once we import it, we are just going to drag it down here on the timeline. Click on the visual, which is the video itself, and mute the sound. So come over here on the mute, click on mute. You can see muted. Now it's only going to play the music that we generated from Music GPT. So the next thing you need to do right now is to just go ahead and duplicate the visuals. So you can see here, I've duplicated it and you can see right here, that is basically how you do it. So let's go ahead and play the song. I'm just going to click on play. Alright, so that's all. That is basically how you can create this type of videos. The next thing you need to do right now is to just go ahead and click on export right at the top right here and export the video. So we've come to the end of this video. If you do appreciate me making this video, please take a second to leave a like to this video. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another amazing AI video just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.